Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something a little different, and I have magnetic eyelashes that I want to try for the first time, and I figured I would put them on camera with you guys to see how they go for the first time trying them. So let's get started. Should I read the directions? Probably, right? Okay, let's do that. The first step, it says, gently remove upper magnetic lash from tray and lay on top of your natural lash line. Okay. Gently remove under magnetic lash line from tray. Place between your natural lash line to connect two magnetic lashes together. Okay. And then there's removal and care, but let's get this far so far, okay? If we can even get them on. I don't know. Kind of nervous. Are you guys nervous? I'm kind of nervous. Put them on top. Maybe you guys can see this. I'm just like placing them where you would like, I don't know, I feel like where you would put your false eyelashes. So like right there. Okay. That looks pretty cute so far. These ones, by the way, are only like the accents. It says, oh, I just ripped some off. Well, alright. Let's try. Ready? I'm so scared. Okay. That was weird. That was the weirdest thing. That was super weird. It looks not good, so I want to try again. What does it say for removal? Removal using your index finger and thumb. Carefully slide top and bottom magnets away from each other one by one. Do not pull lashes straight off. Don't. Okay. As I was about to do it like fucking falsies. My bad, my mouth. So what am I supposed to do here? Split them? I can't even see. I'm just gonna pull them. Gently, right? No, it doesn't hurt. That's fine. It doesn't hurt. Let's try it again. Let's see if I can get them apart. Yeah, this magnet isn't like too strong, which is good. That's really good, actually. So let's try again. I want to see if I can get them better, because when I first did it, it wasn't that good. Oh, come on. I wish I got the full lashes, like the ones that are like all the way across, like regular falsies. Let's see. Okay. Take a look at this. Yeah, no. Okay. Pulling them off again, like super gentle. And then, okay, so I think I want to try to use tweezers. Should we do that? Some right here. So this is the top. Put that right there. Like I did before. Ow. Just hit my elbow. And then take the bottom lashes, right? Yeah, these are them. And then, oops. Aw, come on. And then put these on the top, right? This is ridiculous. Like, I can't even right now. This is harder than gluing them on. And then, hey, you guys. Thanks for subscribing. I look like one of the people on, I think it's like, I can't remember his name, from Sesame Street. It was like the guy with the long eyelashes. So I took that off and separated the both of them again to try one more time. I have a feeling that if I go like this, if I set them on the top like they said in the directions, right? Set them on top as good as I can. Like, just place them on top like that. Maybe move them over a little bit more since these are like the half ones. Oh, come on. So aggravating. And then hold them, right? Okay, let's see. hold them to your eyelash line, and then put this one underneath. You guys, I think I did this. I think I did it. I think I did. Okay, so hold on. Let's look close. That is so good. I did it perfect this time. If I was to try it on this eye, I don't know if I'd be able to do it. I don't think I could. Look at that. I hope you guys can see. It looks good. So excited. Wow, it's kind of pinching. It's pinching kind of a little bit too much. But let's try the other side. I'm excited now. My phone keeps going off. It's aggravating. So let's do the top the way I did it last time, like placing it on the top like the directions. But be careful when you take these out. I keep ripping lashes off of them so bad. Like, I lost, like, I don't know if you guys can see that. Quite a few. There's, like, at least 10 lashes stuck in here. So, okay, let's try it to get it on the first time. Hell no. No. So let's place it on the top. Okay, that. And then let's try tweezers. And hold and apply. Oh my god. What the hell? What kind of shit? It's magnetic to the tweezers too. I didn't think of that. But that scared me. This one's pretty screwed up. Like I said, I probably can't do it twice. But I tried, and no cigar. So, anyways, I tried my best. I couldn't do it as good on this eye. If you guys have any questions or anything, requests of doing it again maybe, and seeing if I made any progress with it, since I can only do one eye after multiple attempts. Let me know what you guys thought of this video below, and let me know also if you've ever tried these, whether they're this brand or any other brand of magnetic eyelashes. I want to see either your experience or just tell me of your experience, because it was a little scary at first. This eye came out pretty good. Okay. Right there. I got it really close, but this one is like, no. Not happy. So, it takes a little bit of time, I feel like, to get on to learning how to put them onto your lashes, but I feel like it's gonna be worth it. That way you don't see the lash line when you glue on falsies. And you don't have to wear eyeliner if you have these on. They are pretty good, in my opinion, so far. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys want, I will put the link down below, and you guys can buy them off of Amazon if you want to. But just let me know what you think of this video and this product. I want to see what you guys think. Thank you so much for visiting my channel.